Welcome to all. So this video is about the DHCP configuration, dynamic host configuration protocol. So what is the purpose of this protocol? Okay, for example, in your network you have only minimum number of end systems. You can assign IP addresses by manually, it's okay. But whenever you go with large size of networks, at the time you cannot so you are going to assign IP address to each devices physically one by one. It is a huge amount of work. So to avoid this, we are going to use the DHCP, dynamic host configuration protocol. DHCP protocol. So here is DHCP, dynamic host configuration protocol. This protocol which helps to assign IP address automatically itself. So this is helps for example, you are going to set up the IP range in a server. It is going to assign IP address every time in your devices automatically itself. So that is the purpose of this. So right now I'm going to teach you that thing here. Okay, so in this practice I'm going to take one router and one switch, and I'm going to take two PCs. Okay, I'm going to take two PCs. Apart from this, I'm going to use one server for this configuration. Okay, so this is my networking devices for this practice. So I'm going to connect all of this together. Okay, so now I'm not going to assign IP address to these two PCs. I'm going to configure right now through by the router. Okay, so right now I just access only this router. So through by this configuration I'm going to assign IP address to the PC0 and the PC1. Okay, so I never touch the server, I never touch the PC0, I never touch the PC1. I just work here only. Okay, so first so as usual we are going to configure the router. Config terminal. So right now I'm going to assign IP address for this router. Okay, so the interface name, okay, I'm going to assign the interface here, gigabit ethernet 0/0. Okay, interface gigabit ethernet, right. IP address range, IP address 192.168.1.1 255. Okay, no shutdown, exit. Okay, right. So right now you have to see here. So I'm going to use this is a criteria. So this is the total. This is my network address 192.168.1.0/24. With this network I can connect up to 256 devices especially. So right now I'm going to use, so this is a usable IP 192.168.1.1 to 1.254, but I'm going to assign 1.1 for router. Okay, so now I'm going to assign some range of IP. So you see that up to 1.1 to 1.10 for static purpose, which means that some of the static devices we are going to use, we going to connect it for we need to reserve this for static IP. So this is my IP range 192.160.1.11 to 254. So this is my IP range. Okay, so right now I'm going to configure this. Okay, IP DHCP excluded, which means that these IP no need to consider by the server. Okay, 192.168.1.12. so these IPs are excluded, which means that I consider these IPs are static IP, remaining IPs are dynamic IP. Okay, so now I'm going to provide the name for my DHCP pool. Okay, so this is my name of it. So here I'm going to provide the network IP. Okay, not a router IP. So here this is my network IP. You see that the network IP here. Okay, that's it. Right now here I'm going to define the default router. So this is my router IP. Now I'm going to assign the DNS server IP. Okay, that's it. So this command is for to save these all into your memory, your router memory. So this command write memory is for to save all of these into your router memory. That's it. So we configured everything successfully. So right now you see there, so there is no IP address are assigned here. So we need to only one setup to change in this PC0. Okay, go to the PC0. In this here, go to the desktop section. In IP configuration, here you see that it DHCP, just turn it on. So you see that this is our first IP. Okay, 190.160.1.11 was automatically assigned. Okay, now I'm going to click it. Desktop DHCP 1.12 was automatically assigned. So right now here I'm going to connect the third one device. Okay, I just connect it with the switch. I just go there and the desktop, in here DHCP. So right now this IP is wrong. Okay, because so those two devices are configured by this configuration was taken before the link was connected. So right now I added this newly, so that's why I need I need to do something. Okay, that means that ipconfig slash, so first now I need to know what is the IP address of this. Okay, so this is a default IPv4 address for the DHCP server, so that is not assigned by us. Okay, so right now we need to release this IP ipconfig release. Okay, right now there is no IP addresses there. Now we are going to configure renew. So right now it is getting the IP address. So right now you see that the IP address was assigned. Okay, so now you see that the IP address assigned. Okay, so how to check the IP, sorry, from the router. So how to check verify the DHCP on a router? Go to the router here. We have some commands to verify it. Okay, show IP DHCP binding binding. So it shows you that how many devices are connected here. 3 devices are connected here. So these are all the header addresses. Type automatic. Okay, and show IP DHCP pool. Okay, so this is a pool of it. So this is there are 3 addresses are used. So right now 3 addresses are assigned by me here. So these are all the available addresses. Total number of 254 devices could be assigned by this network. Okay, so I hope you understood. So right now this is for about the command line interface mode. So we have another one mode. So this is a command line interface mode. Okay, this is a command line interface mode. So right now I'm going to teach you the same setup in a GUI mode, graphical user interface mode. Okay, so the same setup I'm going to take it here again. Okay, so to connect all these devices together, so now I'm going to configure this entire thing by GUI mode, graphical user interface mode. Okay, so I'm not going to use any command here, only I'm going to use only the GUI mode. Okay, so just go to the router here. In this router, go to the configuration section. So the fast ethernet gigabit ethernet, click it here. So what is your router IP? 192.168.1.1. okay, this is the subnet mask of it. You just turn on this, that's it. Okay, you see that the relevant code was automatically generated. Okay, everything was automatically generated. So now I'm going to configure the DHCP server here. So before that, go to the services, desktop. In here you need to provide a IP address for this server. Okay, so right now 192.168.1.2 for this. Okay, that's it. And go to the configuration section. In this configuration section, here you need to assign the default gateway address of it. Okay, 192.168.1.1. okay, 8.8.8.8. right, go to the services, DHCP server. You can see here in this DHCP server you need to create a new one. Okay, okay, that's for us. Okay, here you need to provide the default gateway 1 DNS server. So we are going to give the start IP, that's it. Okay, 245. So this much number of devices could be connected by each other. Save. Okay, so we are going to save it. Okay, so now just go to the PC3, click the PC3 and into the desktop, DHCP. Okay, right now you see that DHCP failed. Okay, because some issues there. Yeah, the same issue here. So just like that, go to there. This is called as a troubleshooting. So you have a trouble right now, you need to solve this issue. Slash so DHCP request failed. So this is a problem here. So the DHCP request failed, which means that so you misconfigured somewhere else. Okay, you see that. So I forgot to turn on the DHCP. So just to turn on the DHCP, save it. Okay, save. So I forgot to turn on the DHCP server. So right now you go to there and click it here. Yeah, it was assigned. Okay, right, and click it. So this IP was automatically assigned. Okay, so right now if I'm going to connect to that new PC here, click it. Okay, just go and click it. Configuration, sorry, desktop section, IP configuration, DHCP. Okay, so the same issue, because right now you are connected physically. Okay, you are this is the latest one, so you are connected just now, so that's why. Okay, ipconfig / release. Okay, ipconfig / renew. That's it. Okay, so this is it. I hope you understood. Okay, so this is totally the sorry, this is totally CLI mode. This is so totally CLI mode. This is totally GUI mode. Okay, so I hope you understood. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Right, see you in the next video.